Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the battery in your Conga 2290. In this video, we will walk you through each step carefully, ensuring you have the right tools and knowledge for a successful battery replacement. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a T8 Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you work in a well-lit area to avoid any complications during the process. Begin by identifying the perimeter screws on the bottom of your Conga 2290. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them safely in a container to avoid losing them as we progress. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as it may damage the plastic clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the cover off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using the soft cloth. This is important as it maintains the efficiency of your device. Next, locate the battery. It is usually secured with a couple of screws. Use the T8 Torx screwdriver to remove these. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in the best hands. Once you've taken out the screws, gently disconnect the battery from its connector. It's important to do this carefully to avoid damaging the internal circuits. Follow the manufacturer's guidance in your user manual if needed. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws with the T8 screwdriver, securing the battery in place. Before proceeding, check that all connections are tight and that there are no loose wires. With the battery installed, it's time to reattach the base cover. Line it up properly and press down gently. Replace the Phillips screws you removed at the start. This secures the cover in place. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 2290. If you're not feeling confident about performing these steps on your own, don't worry. We offer collection and delivery at your home, providing you with convenience and peace of mind. Now let's do a quick test to ensure everything works correctly. Plug in your device, turn it on, and check that it operates smoothly. If there are any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair so you know what to expect. Finally, tidy up your workspace, ensuring that any leftover screws and tools are accounted for. Regular maintenance such as battery checks can prolong the lifespan of your Conga 2290 and keep it functioning at peak performance. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide on changing your Conga 2290 battery. Enjoy the enhanced performance of your device. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.